I haven't had me a good old ramen noodles in a minute. This is the ramen noodle soy sauce flavor. The ramen noodle soy sauce flavor. So these are actually really good. There is 2 ways you could cook them. 1 on the stove, 2 in the microwave. I personally prefer the stove, but I will do the microwave if needed. So these ramen noodle soy sauce flavors are pretty good if you like soy sauce. These are good, but I don't rate them high. Maybe a 5 out of 10 because I prefer the chicken flavor over the soy sauce flavor. But I will eat any flavor of ramen noodles. So here's what the packaging looks like. And when you cook these in the microwave, they're easy to cook. All you have to do is open the bag. You could put this in your bowl as in whole, or you could break it apart, put it in your bowl, and then add a little bit of water, and then pop it in the microwave for 3 minutes, stir it up. And then if it's not done, you can do another 3 minutes, stir it up. And then if it seems watery, just pour out some of the water. And then there's a pack of sauce that comes in here as well. And just pour your seasoning pack of sauce on it, mix it up. Boom, you got your noodles. Now you could cook these on the stove and do the same thing. With the exception of the stove, you would boil your water, your hot water, or water. And then you put your noodles in the water, let them cook, and then, take your fork and mix it around and everything, and then add your sauce and then mix it again. They do taste better on the stove, but I personally do the microwave because it's faster than the stove. So I'm not saying I didn't have the microwave didn't have them on the stove before. I have. It's just the microwave is much faster than the stove. Plus, sometimes I take these to work with me for lunch. So that's why I personally prefer the microwave, because I'm so used to just popping them in and eating them. Unless, if you don't have time to do all that cooking, then I will go to the microwave. If you have more time to cook, I would do the stove. Now, I'm not sure about the stove because I haven't did the stove. But as you can see here on the back, there is directions on how to cook them in the stove. So if you want to cook them in the stove, there is directions for that on the back. But I know the microwave, all you got to do is put these in a bowl, put you a little water in there, pop them in for 3 minutes, mix it up, still not done, pop it in there for another 3 minutes, so it's quick and done. So soy sauce has a little kick to it just because it's soy sauce, but it's pretty good. It's actually pretty good. It's not one of my favorites, sadly. But it's pretty good. Like, that's why I said they're not going to be rated bad. Like, if I rated it, it'll be probably a 5 out of 10. Because they're still good. They're just not my favorite. Because I really haven't been never a favorite of soy sauce ramen noodles. I have always been a fan of a chicken. So let me know, did you ever eat these when you were a kid or when you were younger? I ate these a lot when I was a kid and younger. Just because for them quick dinners, and like if your parents aren't cooking, you just want something quick and fast. Or not just them nights to take to lunch, but just on them days where you still want something to eat, but you want just something just quick and fast. And that's how I went with my ramen noodles. I don't play around my ramen noodles. Now, they do have these in a cup, which I perfectly prefer the cup over the bag. And I'll try to pop up a picture somewhere. But they do have these in a cup. And it's just like this, except that it's in a cup. And it'll say everything on the top. It'll say it'll say everything on the top. So it'll have this and have ramen noodles. So back the same packaging you see here will be in the cup form. Except that it's in a cup and not a packet. So I personally prefer the cup because all you got to do for the cup is peel the plastic off and peel the packaging off, put water in it, and pop it in the microwave over the bag. Because the bag, you have to put it in a bowl. You got to make sure you take the seasoning out so you don't pop the seasoning in the microwave. Then you got to pour the seasoning. Like, the bag seems like it takes longer than the cup, because with the cup, all you got to do is just pour your water in there and then put it in the microwave and pop your seasoning, mix it up, boom, you're done. Versus the bag. So, but I will eat the bag if I have to. Like, if I have no other choice, I will eat the bag. But let me know in the comments down below, if you heard or had ramen noodles, what is your go-to for, what is your go-to flavor for ramen noodles? I don't have a least favorite of ramen noodles. I would eat all of the ramen noodles. It's just favorite wise is chicken. Chicken all day long. I know people saying, okay, how you eat chicken ramen noodles or chicken sandwiches or chicken nuggets, but you don't like chicken on the bone? Crazy, right? Well, true. I will eat anything with chicken in it. Chicken flavor ramen noodles, chicken sandwiches, chicken nuggets. I just don't do chicken on the bone. If I have to, then I will just peel off the chicken with my hands. I won't bite into it. So that's what made me think of ramen noodles chicken flavor. But today I just decided to grab the soy sauce flavor. Let me know if you want me to review the ramen noodles chicken flavor a little more in depth, and I will see if I have the ramen noodles chicken flavor. I don't think I have to look and see. I know I have this one, and then I have the one in the green bag. But if you want me to review the ramen noodles chicken flavor, just let me know down in the comments down below, and I'll look and see if I already have it. If not, I would definitely review the green bag. I forgot what the green bag was called. So let me know what you want me to review down in the comments down below. And let me know if they do or do not sell these near you or in your country. Good old ramen noodles. Bring me back to my childhood days. And it's funny. Because, you know, I'm like, well, dang. I'm sitting here and I'll be 30 in July. And I'm loving ramen noodles. Like, some of this stuff I ate as a kid, now I'm almost 30 in July. And I'm like, whoa, I love this. Like, it's crazy. But, you know, you can't go wrong with something that you ate a lot when you were younger. Yes, I got tired of ramen noodles for a minute because I was eating them so much as a kid. But then once I saw them again, I was like, I have to eat these again. Like, I think it just felt like I needed a break from ramen noodles. And then once I got my little long break from eating them, I was like, okay, yeah, we're going to eat them again. Because they're good. It's just, I ate them so much when I was younger, I just needed a break. So, let me know if you eat these today, or if you have ate them back in the day when you were younger, or if your parents cooked them. Let me know your thoughts and opinions down below about these ramen noodles. Or they're called ramen noodle soup, but I always say ramen noodles. So you can say ramen noodle soup because that's what on the packaging, or you could just say ramen noodles because I always said ramen noodles. I never said ramen noodle soup. So let me know in the comments down below what you think about these ramen noodles and what flavor of ramen noodles do you prefer to eat, or do you like ramen noodles? I was debating if I wanted to eat these for dinner tonight or not, or if I wanted to do a frozen food. So that's why I prefer to review these now as a video, because later, I don't know. I'm debating if eating these for dinner, so that's why I was like, let me go ahead and review it. So let me know down in the comments down below, what do you think about these ramen noodles? If you love ramen noodles, let me know your favorite flavor. If you don't, if you never had them, that is a-okay. Let me just know your thoughts and opinions down below. If you have enjoyed this video, please give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe and leave your comments down below.